Welcome back to The Sweet Spot with Dr. Derek Sweet, a board-certified psychiatrist specializing in sports and performance. In The Sweet Spot, we explore what it takes to stay steady and perform when the pressure is on and the moment matters. Stay tuned for Dr. Sweet's Self-Care Saturday.
Today, I will remember that each morning is a new beginning for me, a chance to start fresh and to step closer to my dreams. Today, I will wake up with energy and power. I will recognize that by winning my morning, I set the tone to win my entire day. Today, I'll remind myself that I opened 2 gifts this morning. My eyes, and I'm ready. Today, I will use the morning to remind me that I have been reborn, and what I do today is what matters most. This morning, I will put the past in the past where it belongs. I will understand that with each sunrise, I get a brand new opportunity filled with hope and endless possibilities. So let's go. I will remind myself today that I've got to approach everything with gratitude and determination. This is my day. This is the day that God has made. I've got to rejoice and be glad in it. Today, I'll recognize how I spend my morning is how I'm going to shape the rest of my day. So I'm choosing to rise with power. I'm choosing to rise with purpose. I'm choosing to rise with focus and commitment. Today, I will remember that success is not something that I dream of. It's something that I wake up with and I create step by step. This morning, I will cherish the light, the blessing of sunlight that's coming right at me, filling me up with energy, positivity, and readiness to go out there and face whatever challenges come my way. I'm grateful this morning. I'm ready this morning. And you know what? It doesn't matter if it's raining, if it's cloudy, if it's snowing or sunny. I make my own sunshine. Today, I will embrace it all. I will be the strength, the power, the clarity. I'm going to bring the heat and the joy. Today, I'm ready. Let's go.
Thank you for listening to The Sweet Spot with Dr. Derek Sweet. If today's message was helpful, please feel free to share it and subscribe. There's no cost to subscribing, and it helps others discover the show. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow for yet another inspiring message from Dr. Sweet and the Sweet Spot team. For science, soul, and success, stay with the Sweet Spot.